So I'm going to start by dicing my fresh okra and ginger. So I'm going to be mixing both of them, and then I'm going to blend it with water just to get the juice out. So I'm done dicing my okra and my ginger. So I'm going to blend them together because I want just the juice. So I'm going to transfer them into my blender. Add some water, then blend. So I'm done blending. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to sieve it just to get the juice out. I don't want to have any debris or chaff or whatever. So this is what I was able to get. Now I'm going to add the rest of my product. So I'm going to be adding about 10 grams of my e-wax. Sorry, 20 grams. I meant to say 20 grams. Then I'll be adding about 5 grams of my cereal alcohol. I'm only going to be adding very little of my growth oil. This is actually a leave-in styling cream. So I'm not adding much, just about 15 mils. So I'm going to go heat up this just to melt all the just to melt my e-wax and my cereal alcohol. I'm done melting it, and this is what it's looking like now. I'm just going to whisk. So it's still quite hot, and it's going to get thicker once it cools down. So I'm just going to let it cool a bit, then whisk.
It's been over an hour, so I decided to whisk before adding the rest of my product, like my peppermint oil, my tea tree oil, my local fragrance. All these are optional, but what is not optional is your preservative. So I'm using liquid Jamal Plus. Once you're done, you're going to whisk some more before transferring it into your storage bottle, and your styling cream is ready.
Okay, so I'm going to spare you guys this whole talking while making video. I'm just going to speed up everything, and then you guys will just watch me twist my hair. So I'm going to be using this okra mix. So yeah, I'm going to be using it to help give my twist a more defined twist. Yeah, twist out. Yeah, so let's get going.
So it's been a week since I twisted my hair and left it in this protective hairstyle. So I'm going to take it off now. I hope it's going to turn out well. So I'm just going to put a little bit of oil just to make my hands a little slippery and then take it down. So let's hope it's going to turn out well, really. I hope I didn't ruin it by putting it in putting it this way. I hope so. Can you guys see? This is so cool. This is so cool. So we are done taking it down, guys. Isn't this beautiful? This is beautiful. But the thing is, now I want it a lot fuller. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't know how I'm going to do it, if to separate it, but I am scared of separating it because separating it means I might lose some curls. But maybe I'm just going to open the bottom a bit. Yeah. I'm not sure if this is, maybe I'm going to comb the bottom a bit to make it look fuller for, well, I don't know. Anyway, guys, as you can see, there are no white flakes. It's just very soft and smooth. The curl pattern is well defined. So I think if you make it smaller, you can have smaller and tighter curls. But yeah, this is actually very good. I think you can actually use this very well, like as a wash and go. Yeah, I think you can do a wash and go with this. This should give really good curls. Yeah, for a wash and go. I'm going to be trying that really soon. I hope it turns out well. But yeah, so I'm going to just try to style it a bit and see. But yeah, I love the twist it gave. I really do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys, please don't forget to stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye.